Let's dive into some Python code using OpenCV. Imagine you want to detect faces in an image. First, you need to install OpenCV with pip install OpenPython. Once that's done, you can start coding. Here's a simple snippet. Import CV2. Hashtag load the cascade. Face_cascade equals CV2.cascade classifier. CV2.data.harCascades plus harCascade_frontal face_default.xml. Hashtag read the input image. img equals CV2.imread image.jpg. Gray equals CV2.cvtcolor. img CV2.color_bgr2 gray. Hashtag detect faces. Faces equals face_cascade.detect multiscale gray 1.14. Hashtag draw rectangles around the faces. For x, y, w, h in faces. CV2.rectangle img x, y, x plus w, y plus h 255 002. Hashtag display the output. CV2.imshow img CV2.waitKey. This code loads a pre-trained face detection model, reads an image, converts it to grayscale, and detects faces. Each detected face gets a rectangle drawn around it. Finally, it displays the image with the detected faces. It's that simple. OpenCV makes image processing intuitive and powerful. So, go ahead, experiment with different images and see the magic unfold.